In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a TikTok account link to a YouTube channel. Linking your TikTok to your YouTube channel is a simple way to help viewers discover more of your content and keep everything connected across platforms. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open the TikTok app and go to your profile dashboard. This is the main profile page where you see your username, profile photo, bio, and all of your videos. We need to grab your unique profile link from here so that YouTube can send people straight to your TikTok account. On your TikTok profile, look for the share icon in the profile section. This is usually a small arrow or share symbol near your profile details. Tap on that share icon. A menu will pop up with different ways to share your profile, like sending it to friends or sharing it on other apps. From that menu, tap on the option that says copy. This copies your full TikTok profile URL to your device's clipboard. You won't see anything change on screen, but the link is now saved and ready to paste later on YouTube. Next, open YouTube in your browser and make sure you're signed into the channel where you want to add the TikTok link. In the top right corner, click on your profile picture. A drop-down menu will appear with various account options. From that menu, click on YouTube Studio. This will open your channel's backend, where you manage content, analytics, and customization. Once YouTube Studio loads, look at the menu on the left-hand side. In that left-hand column, click on Customization. This is where you control what appears on your channel's homepage, including your links. Inside the customization area, go to the section that handles your basic channel information and scroll until you see the links section. In the links area, click on Add Link. A new row will appear where you can customize what viewers see. First, type in your link title. This is the text that will show up on your channel banner. You might want to call it TikTok, Follow Me on TikTok, or something short and clear so viewers know exactly what it is. Now, in the URL field next to that title, paste the TikTok link you copied earlier from your profile. Make sure the link starts with HTTPS and looks like a full, complete URL to your account. When everything looks correct, go to the top right of this page and click on Publish. This saves your changes and updates your channel. After a moment, you can visit your public YouTube channel page and you should see your new TikTok link displayed on your banner, ready for viewers to click.